Hello guys, welcome back. This is Perfect Forex here. Today we'll be looking at the previous commodity we analyzed. In the previous video I dropped, we analyzed Crash1000 index, and currently, as you can see, based on the analysis I dropped yesterday, I speculated that I'll be looking at Crash1000 index buy from this zone. I speculated that looking at Crash1000 index buy from this zone, and then hit our first point of interest, hit our take profit, this first point of interest, because on the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing on the 1 hour time frame, we can see an order block here, but the price hasn't touched the order block, but as you can see, it has done a very, very significant move to the upside. And personally, I was able to up on this move yesterday. Yesterday from this zone, I bought Crash1000 into the zone. And why I exited at this zone was because I saw an order block, I think on the 15 minutes time frame, which in a way is causing price, or actually caused price to react twice. Price go to this zone, struck this order block, dropped to the downside, came back again. And then I just assumed that price might continue to range in this zone until it has enough momentum to break it. But unfortunately, after exiting the market at this point, closed out at this point, the market kept on pushing and pushing and pushing. And my move, I think I was able to make about, that was close to 50 pips, in total, 50 pips. And right now, as you can see, price is still moving, and we are on 112 pips, close to 113 pips thereabout. So for those that were able to up on this move after I dropped the analysis, I believe you're able to make good profit for yourself. And those that are still on this move, you might want to keep trailing your stop. And then hold it until it gets to this point of interest, either this particular zone or this. But also, as I said, I'll be looking at price just mitigating this imbalance through this mitigation, come back into this zone. This is my speculated point in which I'll be entering the market, come back into the zone, and then go short. So once price enters into the zone, I'll be looking for more bearish confirmation. Once I see bearish confirmation, I'll be entering the market for a short. So guys, as you can see, Crash1000 has played out perfectly well, or I can say that it is playing out perfectly well. So this is a win on this analysis. So also let's see Crash500 index. Crash500 index, I actually speculated that I'll be looking at Crash500 index drop from this zone, drop into this zone. Once it breaks this other block, I think I was analyzing this with some couple of students today. Once it breaks this other block, I will be anticipating a short. Right now, as you can see, it is still at the resistance zone. Let's see. Okay. Might be seeing Crash500 index drop from this zone right here. Okay. Might be seeing Crash500 index drop from this zone right here. But if and only if it breaks this resistance zone, to the upside, then we'll be changing our bias to a long. But right now, price is still, let me check in 15 minutes. Can you see? Price is still attenuating, meaning the velocity of the move is not increasing. It's actually reducing in velocity. So there's every tendency that price drops to the downside. That about Crash500 index. So let's look at Boom500 index. I think I'll be doing an extensive analysis on Boom500 index, and that is where I'm going to end this video. So let's go to area time frame. Okay, as you can see, Boom500 index is going short. Let me clear this chart and just show you what personally I'll be looking at for. So right now, Boom500 index is what is going short. It is going short. And then, although my overall bias for Boom500 index is still long, what price is just doing right now is it is just mitigating these imbalances these inefficient zones or inefficient candles, the bullish move made. So this mitigation, this drop to the downside is just mitigating this. And then I'll be looking at price drop into this zone because this is last candle, last bearish candle that caused a break of structure with an imbalance with another block. And that is actually a candle you want to watch out for. So now, why I'm marking this zone out is because I'll be looking at price drop into the zone and then go bullish. So let's quickly do a further breakdown of that particular zone to see if there are other blocks that would be our point of interest, or that would be a probable point of interest. Okay, can you see? Let's mark the zone out. Let's mark the zone out. Mark the zone. This is a base. This is a base. So, okay. This is a base, and also this is liquidity zone. Okay, so looking at price break through this base. So let's see price drop into this zone, and then we'll be looking for potential longs, and then we'll be setting as our take profit for the long that we are anticipating on Crash500 index is somewhere around this place. So let's see Crash500 index, and then into the zone. Now, maybe just doing my mark out like this or my mark up like this doesn't mean once price just enters that zone. Although sometimes once price enters that zone, I will just immediately take my trade. I'll take my buy. But either you buy or you sell. But for this, for synthetic indices, you need to, especially crash and boom, you need to ensure that the candles are well positioned, in the sense that you want to see it break structure well enough on a much more higher time frame. You understand? Price can just drop into the zone right now, and then you just see you just give you some few spikes, and then you think the buy has started, and it continues to go against you. You understand? So you want to wait for price to change structure either on the 15 minutes time frame or on the 30 minutes time frame. Change structure significantly, and then you look out for potential buys. So Boom500 index, I'll be still looking at Boom500 index drop into the zone, and then we will be going long. So I think that's that about that. Boom1000 index. Okay, I think I entered this move a couple of minutes ago. And I was able to scalp in about I scalped just about 20 pips thereabout. Yes, 20 pips, and I closed in good profit. Although I'm speculating based on what I'm seeing, I'm speculating that Boom1000 should at least drop to clear this imbalance or mitigate this imbalance. At least drop into the zone. At least drop into the zone before we see any further either bullish move to the upside or a continuous short. But I'm certain that this bearish move that is happening right now should drop into the zone to clear this inefficiency. You understand? Although based on what the market is showing right now, might be anticipating that Boom1000 index should drop to the downside. But seeing that it has broken out of this range, this was a zone of accumulation that has broken out of this range, then we might not want to assume that price will drop this far. Broken out of this range, I just come to retest this support level, initial resistance, turn support, this initial resistance, turn support level, we test it and then continue its bullish move. Continue its bullish move, because right now the overall buyers, I am speculating, which I have actually analyzed this market long before now, but it just started playing out since yesterday. I already analyzed a couple of days ago. I'm looking at, with this range, I'm looking at 1,000 break this range to the upside and then continue short. And then I think the breakout happened yesterday. Yes, it happened yesterday. Came into this support, this resistance zone, and did what? And dropped it downside. So evidently, I'm looking at 1,000 drop down to this initial resistance, turn support to further continue bullish. So guys, I would like for you to utilize this information, because it is first hand. You understand? It is first hand. I'm not coming to give you previous market analysis or previous history analysis. You understand? I'm showing you what the market will do in the future, and 9 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times, I am always right. I'm always right. So that is it about the video. For Boom500, looking to go long as our overall buyers. For Crash500, we're waiting for price to drop and break this structure well enough before we look out for potential retracement and then go short. While for Boom500, okay, I think I talked about Boom500. While for Boom1000, we'll be looking at price just drop down into this inefficiency zone or this region, and then we look at potential buys. But price might still continue to do what it wants to do and drop further. Understand? But for Boom1000 index, the overall bias is a buy. The overall bias is a buy. So that's that about that. Thank you very much for being around. If you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button, send the link of this video of my channel to your friends and family, those interested in trading the forex and synthetic indices market. Let them know that you are getting first-hand knowledge here. Let them know you are getting something very, 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 very valuable here. And also do want to smash the like button and also drop a comment in the comment section. Ask some questions, whatever question you have, and whatever commodity you want me to analyze, you can drop it in the comment section and I will do just that. So that's that about that. Thank you very much. This is Perfect Forex, your friend, your brother, and your favorite trader. Do have a great day and God bless you.